Hi, I'm Alfred Slanet, CEO of Genius. Chemotherapy is effective against cancer, but the side effects are debilitating. First-generation immunotherapy was approved in recent years. It stimulates the body's own immune system to fight cancer. This has high cost and narrow requirements, making it not available for many. From our beginning at Genius, we focused on effectiveness and cost for the next generation of immunotherapy. We increased the number of white blood cells specific to attacking the cancer. These are your own natural white blood T cells empowered to seek and destroy and treat your cancer. Our process is minimally invasive and does not involve any chemical treatments of patients. All that is done is a simple blood draw followed up by later reinfusion of your own blood. What we do to the blood is patented selection and enrichment of cancer-killing cells that mimics and enhances the way the body naturally fights off invaders. Naturally produced T cells like ours have been highly effective in humans. 70% of patients have been helped. Half of the patients had their cancer completely eradicated. Half of those continued to be free of their cancer for 5 years. The side effects have been mild flu-like symptoms. We can deliver at costs that are a fraction of other immunotherapies. This is because of our commitment to streamlining a closed system manufacturing that does not use genetic engineering. We have been doing our part for a decade. Now, you too can help bring this life-saving treatment to everyone.